Welcome to my channel where I bring you everything about making money online and offline. And today I have something really interesting to discuss with you all. We are going to talk about Unlock Passive Income, your ultimate guide to YouTube Shorts in 2025. If you are not into YouTube Shorts or haven't thought about them yet, then this is the perfect video for you because by the end of this video, you're going to learn how you can make money from YouTube Shorts without showing your face, without spending a single penny, and literally spend only 10 minutes per day. Trust me when I say that. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is start a channel around a certain topic. And I would not recommend that you pick a general topic like fashion or food or travel. You want to pick something more niche down. For example, if you pick travel, then it's better to pick a niche like backpacking or traveling with kids or something like that. Because once you become a bit more specialized, you will be able to charge more. Like people are willing to pay $100 per thousand views for a general topic, and up to $300 per thousand views for a very niche down topic. That's 3 times the amount of money. Now what you want to do is pick a topic that you know a lot about already. Otherwise, you'll have to spend a lot of time researching and writing scripts for your videos. And if you don't enjoy doing that, then you probably won't stick with it. Like I started my channel about 2.5 years ago and I knew already a lot about time management because I read tons of books about it. I didn't have to spend that much time researching for the videos. I also knew that I wanted to help other people with that. So I combined my passions and then came up with this channel. So step number 1 is finding a topic that you can make content about. Step number 2 is picking a name for your channel. Now keep in mind that this is your business name. This is how people will find you. This is how people will talk about you behind your back. So you want to make sure that it's memorable, it's easy to spell, it's relevant to your niche, and it's available across different platforms. For example, you might want to have an Instagram account with that name and maybe a Facebook page and maybe a Twitter account and so on and so forth. So you need to make sure that the name you choose is available across different platforms. After you have picked a name, you want to design a logo for your brand. Now if you suck at designing logos, which most people do, then I would highly recommend to use a designer marketplace. There you can type in your keywords, and it will come up with thousands of different logo ideas for you. And you can even ask designers to tweak the logo a little bit more. It's super easy, it's super cheap, super affordable. And after you have designed your logo, you want to make sure that you put it everywhere. You put it on your social media, you put it on your website, you put it on your email signature, like literally everywhere. Because the more people see your logo, the more they associate with your brand, and then the more people will recognize you. After you have designed your logo, you want to create your channel banner and your profile picture. And I would highly recommend that you use the same color scheme throughout all of your branding. So use the same colors for your channel banner and your profile picture, and your logo and your Instagram highlights, like literally everything. This will make you more recognizable and more memorable to people. And now that your channel is all set up and ready to go, it's time to start creating content. The best way to create content right now is through YouTube Shorts, because YouTube Shorts are super popular and there is so much demand for them. But it's important to remember that not every single one of your videos has to be a YouTube Short. For example, last week I posted an actual long-form video, because I felt like sharing my story about how I managed to grow my YouTube channel to 100,000 subscribers in less than a year. I was getting a lot of questions about that on Instagram. So I decided to post a long-form video about that. But usually I try to post one YouTube short per weekday and then one YouTube short on the weekend. In terms of what kind of YouTube shorts to post, I would highly recommend that you focus on educational shorts and inspirational shorts. Educational shorts are the ones where you teach people something new or help them solve a problem. And inspirational shorts are the ones where you motivate people or make them feel good. These types of YouTube shorts tend to do really well because they are valuable to people. They are helpful. And I've said this before, but it's so important to always put value in whatever you do. If you want to be successful, if you want to make money, if you want to make a living out of your YouTube shorts, then you have to put value in them. You have to be helpful to people. You have to make their lives easier. If you just post random nonsense on YouTube shorts, then no one's gonna watch your videos. No one's gonna take you seriously. And if no one watches your videos, then you will not make any money. And it's as simple as that. Which brings me to the next step, which is monetizing your YouTube shorts. In order to monetize your YouTube shorts, you need to have at least 10 million views over the past 90 days, and you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers. Once you have reached those requirements, you will be able to apply for the YouTube Partner Program, and then you can start making money from YouTube Shorts. But even though you might think that this is a lot of views and a lot of subscribers, it's actually not that hard to achieve. If you upload one YouTube Short per day, then that's 30 YouTube Shorts per month. And let's say that each one of them gets at least 1,000 views. Then that's 30,000 views per month. And if you upload one YouTube Short per day for a whole year, then that's 12 months times 30 YouTube Shorts per month, which is 360 YouTube Shorts. And let's say that each one of them gets at least 1,000 views. Then that's 360,000 views. And we all know that YouTube Shorts are super popular right now. So it's pretty easy to get at least 1,000 views per YouTube Short, especially if you post one YouTube Short per day for a whole year. And the best part about this is that you only need to reach these requirements once. So once you have monetized your YouTube Shorts, then you can keep uploading YouTube Shorts without having to worry about reaching any other requirements. You don't have to worry about reaching any other milestones. You can literally keep uploading YouTube Shorts and making money from them forever. Now, in terms of how much money you will make from YouTube Shorts, it depends on a few factors. It depends on how many views you get. It depends on your niche. It depends on your audience. And it also depends on how long the ads are that play before your YouTube Shorts. So generally speaking, you can expect to make anywhere between $2 and $10 per $1,000 views. And this might not sound like a lot, but trust me when I say that, it adds up really quickly. So if you follow all of these steps, if you start a channel around a certain niche, if you pick a name for your channel, if you design a logo for your brand, if you create a channel banner and a profile picture, if you upload YouTube Shorts consistently, then you will be able to monetize your YouTube Shorts, and you will be able to make passive income from them forever. If you want to learn more about passive income, then definitely check out my other videos about passive income. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.